Attributes. Attributes in Mastercams are things such as color, level, point style, line style, and line thickness. If I wish to create new geometry, I should set its attributes first. So for example, if I want to create some new geometry here, and I want a different color, my current color is 5 or purple. To set a new system color, I click on the color, and then I come up here and I select whatever color I want. So if I want blue number 9, I select it. If I want red number 12, I select it. I can also select the color by pressing select here and then choose an entity already on the screen, and that will set the system color the same as what's we selected. When I'm happy with this attribute selection, I'll just say OK or accept that selection. If I want to change the level, I can make level 2 active by selecting it in the number, and now any geometry I create will be created on level 2. If I want to change the line style, I select the new line style. So I can preset the attributes, and now any entity I create will be created with these new attributes. Color 10, created on level 2, and with this line style. So for example, I can create some lines here, and you'll notice how they come up with the new attributes. If I wish to change the attributes of an existing object, I will right-click on the attribute I wish to change, in this case the color. I will select the entities I want to change the color of, so I'll select these two lines. I'll end my selection. The color window will pop up, and I can choose a new color for these two lines, and they will change. So again, how do I change the attributes of an existing entity? I right-click on the attribute I wish to change the color, select the entities, end my selection, and choose a new color, and accept the selection. The other way I can do this is to pre-select the attributes by holding Shift as I select more than one. Now when I right-click on color, it assumes the selected entities are what I wish to change the attributes of, and I can choose a new color and go OK. If I wish to change more than one attribute at a time, I can right-click on the word attributes. Again, select my entities, end my selection, and now I can change the color by accepting color, choose a new color from the palette. I can change the style by once again accepting that, and if I wish to change the level, I can turn on the level. I can even create a new level 10 here to move these two, and I can tell it to shut the visibility of level 10 off and say OK. These lines disappear because they've been moved to level 10. So if I left click on the level manager, it comes back up. If I wish to see the lines on level 10, I can make it visible.